Thank you for choosing brilliant presets. Now I will help you how to download and add a presets to the Lightroom mobile. Click on the yellow button. Click on or continue to website button. Then click on the .dng file. Click on download button and choose direct download. You can click on the arrows and download next files. When file is downloaded, then open Lightroom app. Then you need to import this image. Click on the blue button at the bottom. Select the image you just uploaded. Then click on Add button. When file is imported, then go to All Photos section and choose image you just imported. Now you need to add a settings to your Lightroom or make a preset. Go to the right and click on Preset button. Then click on the three dots. Then create New Preset button. Click on Presets Group. Then create New Presets Group button. Write a preset group name. And click on Done button at the right corner. Then write a preset name. And again click on the Done button. Now let's check out your new preset tones. Go to the album and choose your favorite image. Then go to the right and click on Preset button. Now find your new preset and click on it.